Microcontrollers, best language. Microcontroller development boards are now a staple in the maker community, enabling control of modules like sensors, motors, LEDs and hints. The most popular languages include MicroPython, CircuitPython, Arduino, simplified C++, and C, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. MicroPython. MicroPython is a lightweight implementation of Python 3 that is specifically designed for microcontrollers. Functionalities. MicroPython is an excellent language for beginners who want to program microcontrollers. Its use of human-readable commands in simple structures makes it easy to understand, even for those with no coding experience. Features. Programming a microcontroller using MicroPython involves flashing firmware containing the interpreter, libraries, and other dependencies into the microcontroller. Adaptability to interpret and execute programs. MicroPython utilizes local resources, requiring a microcontroller to have at least 256 kilobytes of flash memory and 16 kilobytes of RAM. Community and support. Since its inception in 2013, MicroPython has amassed a substantial following. Arduino. Arduino is a well-known open-source platform primarily targeted towards electronics and do-it-yourself (DIY) enthusiasts. The Arduino programming language is based on C and C++, making it simple for those with prior knowledge of these languages to quickly adapt to the Arduino environment. Functionalities. The programming language used by Arduino is a simplified version of both C and C++, which simplifies the learning and development process. Functionalities. The programming language used by Arduino is a simplified version of both C and C++, which simplifies the learning and development process. The advantage of using a compiled language is that the microcontroller does not need to use resources to interpret each code line. Supported hardware device is the compiling stage handled by the IDE. Microcontrollers with as little as 32 kilobytes of flash memory and 2 kilobytes of RAM can be utilized for Arduino programming. Community and support. Arduino has been an open-source platform since 2005 and has an extensive documentation that is regularly updated by the Arduino Foundation. Community and support. Arduino has been an open-source platform since 2005 and has an extensive documentation that is regularly updated by the Arduino Foundation. Functionality. CircuitPython was designed with the goal of making it easier for beginners to learn how to program microcontrollers. Execution speed and effectiveness. As CircuitPython is built on top of MicroPython, it inherits many of its strengths and weaknesses. Supported hardware devices. CircuitPython's integrated libraries and easy-to-use syntax come at the cost of increased resource requirements compared to MicroPython. Community and support. Adafruit is recognized for producing user-friendly products, and CircuitPython is no exception. C programming. C was developed in the 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs and is a compiled programming language that has been widely used by engineers and professionals to program microcontrollers efficiently. Features. Despite being a more challenging language to learn, C offers greater speed, efficiency, control, and portability than MicroPython, CircuitPython, and Arduino. C is renowned for its performance and can run programs faster than Arduino, MicroPython, and CircuitPython, even on lower resource microcontrollers. Supported boards. C is incredibly portable and can be used to program virtually any ARM-based microcontroller. Community and support. The C programming language has a vast online community due to its robust programming applications and the fact that it has been in existence for several decades.